Are you a furry? Yes or no?
I'm a cat boy.
Close enough. Red flag detected.
Oh, hacker.
Your kind will be eradicated one day. But for now, we have to take you one...
A, B, C, D, E, F, Q, you're so fake. Your replies always late, and you always get your way. Never ask if I'm okay.
Watch my 9mm go.
Here's me on the scale of caring. I'm at 0. Therefore, since negative caring is impossible, or rather is simply caring of another sort, love and hate being different sides of the same coin, etc., etc., I couldn't care less.
Whopper, Whopper, Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill, taste with perfect toppers. I rule this day. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup is okay if I don't.
You like kissing boys, don't you? Huh?
Our journey to victory has begun! Death to the MPLA!
I already know who's fake and who's real. I'm just playing along. And if you think you can play with me, just wait for the right moment. I'll fuck you up.
Go on a date with me?
What the fuck's name are you doing?
Nobody asked for your opinion. Whee!
Okay, I don't give a fuck. Like, what? I don't care. Like, honestly, like, I really don't fucking care. Why are you telling me that shit?
You need to stop everything. This needs to stop now. This is not okay. This needs to stop now.